Hello mga kalapatids, it's been a while since we made a video. I'll just give you a little update on our loft, show you what's happening. Not a lot, so I'm showing you the birds, the young birds that we have left for this season. So here they are. We started off with 24 birds and now we only have 12 left. So more, we lost half of our team this year. Most of these birds, we've seen them from egg. We trained them to come back to our loft, and we did a lot of training tosses with them. So yeah, it was really sad to lose 8 birds in one race, but that's pigeon racing for you, I suppose. Thank you for supporting our channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Hopefully you enjoy them as much as I enjoy making them. We'll do some more next year. Hopefully we could go further than 250 miles next year. I'm really aiming to go further than that. Again, it depends on what birds we have left, but we will look after them now over the winter, make sure that they're conditioned and safe, and hopefully we will race them all again next season.